Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today's video is another rack store pickup. I was able to find something that I haven't seen at Burlington before. I'm excited to finally try this one. I was able to grab a fragrance that I know is many people's favorites in this particular line of fragrance. Scent I'm talking about is Azzaro Chrome Aqua. As always, I'm going to try this on strip, see what I pick up, try it on skin, and ultimately let you guys know if this is worth grabbing. Again, this is some people's favorite from this particular line, so I'm excited to finally try this one. Let's jump right into it. So really quickly, I just wanted to point out that I did pay $29.99 for this fragrance from Burlington, and that is for the 50 ml, which I felt like was a fair price. You can get 100 ml for not much more, so I will be sure to link this fragrance down below. However, it was there. I wanted to grab it. This is one that I've been seeing pop up at Burlington as of late, so you guys might have a good opportunity to go to your store and grab it if it sounds like something you might enjoy. So here we have the bottle, which I really like. It's a small bottle, 50 ml. They don't use a lot of glass, which is cool. It's not too thick. It's pretty thin, and it has this textured white cap. On top, feels like plastic just on first touch. So yeah, pretty cheap plastic. Let's check out that atomizer. Okay, atomizer, I suppose. So I don't have a lot of experience with the Chrome line. I've, obviously tried the original Chrome, but it's not a scent that I've worn or was one that I had in the collection. So I know a lot of people that was for many a signature scent in the early 2000s, maybe even before that. But my memory of that scent, it was this metallic quality that it carried with it. And this is definitely has some of that metallic nature to it. Definitely green, a little bit aquatic, some slight sweetness to it. Really easy going. Smells essentially like a typical men's summer fragrance. Smells nice. I'd be curious to see what this does on skin. Let's try it on skin, and I'm gonna take a look at the notes. So the notes for Azzaro Chrome Aqua, top notes are grapefruit, green apple, and violet leaf. Mid notes are C notes, basil, and mint, and the base notes are cypress and vetiver. So I never would have guessed that this flanker came out in 2019. It has this sort of old school vibe to it. But when I say old school, I'm not talking 70s and 80s. I'm talking late 90s, early 2000 vibes to this, which makes sense because that's when the original Chrome was released. So it definitely carries, again, that DNA of the original. Off of skin, I'm picking up that fruitiness up top. The aquaticness is still there, but it's not sort of the main player, at least not in the opening. It's airy, it's breezy, it has that brightness from the citrus, the grapefruit, the apple. I think the grapefruit is making this feel sort of a slightly metallic, bitter, acidic. And then that apple is what I was picking up off of the strip, more so than the acidic nature of the grapefruit. I was picking up much more fruitiness from the apple. As this begins to settle in, I'm getting much more ocean aquatics. So it's reminding me a bit more of other things, more sea aquatics than just airy, watery aquatics. So there is a saltiness to it, and it's reminding me of other popular fragrances that you can imagine have that salty aquaticness to them. I really like it. I'm not the biggest fan of ocean aquatics. They are hit and miss on my skin. It's one of those things with skin chemistry, it doesn't always work on me. I think this works well. It doesn't smell bad, but there's, again, some bitterness from that grapefruit. It's almost like a rindy grapefruit. It's not as sweet as I would like it. Overall, I can see someone really liking this, particularly if you like ocean aquatic fragrances. I can definitely see this being worn in most warm weather situations, with the exception being keeping it to a daytime fragrance. For me, it's coming across more so as a daytime easy grab type of fragrance, running errands, maybe meeting some friends for lunch, something along those lines. I would definitely not wear this out in the evening. It just doesn't have enough interesting qualities to it for me to wear it out at night, again, lacking that sweetness. So nice daytime scent, nice beach scent, hot weather. This is going to be really nice, really easy grab. Is a bit redundant if you own something like an Acqua di Gio Profondo, or one of my favorite fragrances, Mr. Burberry Indigo. That scent is incredible. Absolutely love that fragrance. I am going to test this. I'm going to wear it and decide on longevity, let you guys know ultimately in my weekly wears video if this is something that is worth purchasing. But as of right now, I would say it's not something you need to go run out and grab. I guess I can see why this is some people's favorite on the line. If you're a fan of something like an Acqua di Gio Profondo, that's not my particular favorite from that line. I'm a Profumo guy, but I do like Profondo. I do enjoy it. But this is right in that sort of similar vein as that scent. So I'm going to wear it this week, let you guys know in my weekly wears what I think of it overall, projection, longevity, and that type of thing. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of Chrome Aqua from Azzaro. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.